Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna take you biking again, but before I do so, let me just have some drink and an apple. I already had my lunch, so that should keep me going. But I wanted to talk about something. Today I joined a live streaming and one of those people asked what sort of gadget am I using in my recent uploads. So I'm actually using the GoPro Hero 8 for the action videos that I have, like when I'm biking, when I'm running, because it keeps your video stabilized, meaning it doesn't give that too much shake, which makes it very annoying if you're watching a video and it's shaking. And I know the feeling because way back 2 years and a half ago, I was using a Samsung phone and I wasn't very particular yet then because I was not vlogging. I just, take a video for the sake of remembrance and not thinking about the quality because I didn't think that I would share it to the world. So I was using, on some footage, I was using my Samsung S7 Edge, which doesn't have a stabilization option. So it was very shaky, but before I didn't really notice that. But when I use JP's iPhone, he has an old iPhone 6s Plus, but with a higher gigabyte, because I made sure that he has that because I love taking photos and I love taking videos. So anyway, when I used his phone, the videos are very stable. If you looked at my previous videos, or to people who were watching that, you would see that some footage are very stable. Some footage are shaky because of the gadgets that we were using for. So for the recent uploads that I have, I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 for the very same reason that I don't want it to shake too much when I'm running, when I'm on the bike. So it gives it a little bit of a, like that very nice smooth run of the video. Anyway, having said that, so if you're a mommy vlogger like me, would you or should you get the GoPro Hero 8? I would say go ahead and get it if you have the budget for now, because it's really great to be able to capture wide angle so everybody can see what is on your back on a wider angle, and you can also do so many things while you are on the go. So I think for a typical, like a low budget vlogger, I think the GoPro is really nice. But if you don't have it right now, please don't be feeling I suck because I don't have it. You can definitely use your phone. I mean, my first 10 uploads, if you were following my channel, I don't have a GoPro, but I'm able to take videos. Yeah, so it's only a matter of just going there and taking the videos. But going back, if you're a mommy vlogger and if you have the budget to get the Hero 8, I should say get it, because you can do so many things with the Hero 8. There's a new one in the market, the Hero 9. I've been watching reviews about it and I actually love it. It is, however, heavier, better battery, they said, but I heard from the reviews, but not so much really. But it has so many features now that makes it really nice. So I think if you have the budget, don't go for the Hero 8, go for the Hero 9. The only reason why I still have the Hero 8 is because I just purchased it during the pandemic, because I wanted me and Jens to do kayaking, which I still have the kayak upstairs. We haven't used it yet. That's on another vlog. I have a thing with wanting things and then not continuing. That's why JP is surprised that when I started this YouTube channel, 4 months later I'm still here. He thought I'm going to stop because I get, tired of it. Anyway, I'm not tired. I'm still here and I'm still showing you guys videos. So, I mean, this is what I love. What else? So yeah, for now I haven't really invested on anything like the pros, but I'm really enjoying the process of learning, becoming a filmmaker. Sometimes I'm lazy to think because you really need to think. So, sometimes I just pick bits and pieces of here and there and make a movie out of it. But you really need to be creative. I didn't know that before when I started this. I didn't know I will become a filmmaker or study to become one or really research about how to do things. So now I am slowly getting there. So hopefully in the future I will be doing well. For now, I'm using my phone and the GoPro. I haven't really invested in a great camera. I mean, the camera that we used before for photography, that was a Nikon. I haven't even tested that because I don't have the DJI Ronin, to make sure that when you're holding the camera, it also stabilizes your DSLR. So I don't have that, and it's pretty bulky. So I don't think I'm on that level yet to move up. So for now, I will stick to my phone and my GoPro and invest in the little things, because I basically don't have the budget yet or the money to invest on a new vlogging camera, a Sony that I so love. And the lighting that cost 500 euros, and the microphone. So somebody once said that you do it little by little and you invest, and I'm just gonna take it slow. I'm enjoying filming, enjoying what I love, and at the same time making sure that I don't forget JP and Jens, because that's the most important thing, guys. I have read on someone's post about balancing YouTube and family and work. So with the work thing, I think I'll be having a lot of time in the next few weeks. So I'm happy with that as well. At the same time, sad, but that's the reality of things during the pandemic. We cannot control it. It's happening around the world. So it is only our way of, doing something productive while the pandemic is there. Because I work in the hotel industry, to people who doesn't know. Anyway, so yeah, gadgets, GoPro. If you're a mommy vlogger, I think you should get it. Even if you're not a mom or you're just starting to go into the YouTube community, I think it's a very nice gadget to have if you're a starter YouTuber. I think if you have progressed to a certain level, a great mic, a great lighting, great camera is really, how you grow big on YouTube. But for now, I'm just enjoying myself and learning learning to become a filmmaker. Thank you guys for listening to me. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please do so. If you like my content, that would help us a lot if you give us that thumbs up and that subscribe button down below. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go. You ready? Yeah, klaar?
Voordat het gaat regenen.
Okay, more. Okay, more what? More bike? Okay, Jens is with us now. He's very excited to see me. Yeah. Yeah, it's now Halloween. That's right. There's a skeleton there. Yeah. Skeleton. Skin out. Oh, it's a baby skeleton? Really? Okay. Okay. Okay, that's a slide. Ooh. Yeah, that's a bicycle. There's another one. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Rondra, yeah? Okay. Oh, a Kleiban. Alright. Okay, he's actually mixing English and Dutch together. Yes, baby. So sometimes you can't understand him because he's mixing two sentences together with Dutch and English, but he's getting so much better now. I mean, just 2 weeks ago, he was speaking 2 words only, a few 3 words, and all of a sudden he's just talking so much. And one time he was asking me to get his yes, baby. Oh, I love you too, baby. He got? So one time he asked me to get his painting mat. Please, what, baby? Don't stay away from my hair. So one time he asked me to pick his painting mat, and then he was just telling me, "What do you now?" It means that he's getting impatient. Yeah. He's getting impatient, so he wants me to go faster. It's a spin, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, is waiting, alright. So who did you play with today? Did you play with Nora? Who did you play with? Oh, Nay? Oh, Nay, okay. Oh, Bowie. Sasha, okay. Yeah, that horn is pooping. He's not pooping.
Oh, with the food.
Hoo-hoo. Papa's. Oh, what's with the eyes? There, Papa.
There's a fight in this room.
Dat zie je vertellen allemaal.
Papa, open the door. The egg, okay.
Guys, this. Hello.
Hello.